Alright, let's get straight to it. Is the iPad 10th generation still worth your money in 2025? If you're a student, a casual user, or just want a solid tablet for less, the answer is still yes. But, if you're chasing the latest and greatest, you might want to hold on. Let me break it down. First, strengths. The iPad 10th Gen is running the A14 Bionic chip. That means it's still fast enough for everyday stuff. Browsing, streaming, note-taking, and even some light gaming. No lag for your Netflix marathons, and it'll handle split-screen multitasking just fine. Design-wise, it's got that modern edge flat sides, slim bezels, and finally USB-C. That port makes charging and accessories way easier, especially if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem. The front-facing camera is a big win for video calls in 2025. It's ultra-wide and supports center stage, so you'll stay in frame even if you move around. And the battery, still solid. Expect a full day of typical use without hunting for your charger. But let's be real, there are some limitations. No M-series chip here, so if you're into pro-level apps or heavy multitasking, you might notice the difference. You also miss out on Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI features baked into the latest models. The display is good but not cutting edge. It doesn't have promotion, so no super smooth 120Hz refresh rates, and it's not quite as vibrant as the higher-end iPads. Plus, for creative work, it only supports the first-gen Apple Pencil. No magnetic charging, and it's just a little clunkier to use. So, who should still buy the iPad 10th Gen in 2025? If you need a reliable tablet for school, streaming, light gaming, or just everyday stuff, and you're budget conscious, it's still a great pick. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. If you're eyeing features like Apple Intelligence, Pro Creative Tools, or a next-level display, the newer iPads are a bigger upgrade and probably worth the extra cash. Bottom line, the iPad 10th Gen is still a strong buy for most casual users in 2025. Just know what you're getting, and what you're not. Thanks for watching.